In this lesson, we're going to be talking about new CSS3 properties that you can use in your UI elements. If you want to follow along, of course, open up your new CSS properties.html file in your working files folder. The first one I want to talk about is called border radius. Border radius simply will add rounded corners to any element that you apply it to. Here's an example. I'm going to apply border radius to tabs. I gave it a border radius of 10 pixels, which means the roundiness of that will be about 10 pixels. Now, if you go to the Mozilla Developer Network page for border radius, you'll see that there's not just border radius, but there's also border top left radius and border top right radius. We're going to implement a few of those right now. Of these tab elements, I want rounded corners on the top left and top right of the first one, and the bottom sides of the last one. In order to make that happen, I can say .tab first child, a border top right radius of 8 pixels. Let's save that and see what that looks like. Now actually, come to think of it, we're not going to add the border top right radius on the tab, we're going to add it on the tab name. The tab name is the thing that has that green color. Sure enough, you can see a nice rounded corner in the upper right-hand corner there. I'm going to copy this, paste it, and use left. I'm going to do the exact same thing for the last child. Sure enough, we now have a nice rounded corner. I'm going to stop this movie right here, and in the continuation of this movie, we're going to be talking about opacity and RGBA. That's ways of creating color swatches with opacity. We'll be using those color swatches for box shadow and text shadow.